Welcome everybody. I'm glad you can join me today. My name is Jerry. We're going to talk about the best entry exit combo in the stock market for the last 3 days. Now before you, this is intraday only, Central Standard Time. I live here in Texas, United States of America. We're talking about the stock market, the S&P 500, the SPY Spider ETF. Okay, so let's talk about the number one. We're going to show you the top three. I'm going to start with the number one best entry exit combo. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, we're talking about the 1 minute chart for you day traders out there. This is going to be really, really good information, okay, for the day traders and anybody else who wants to get into day trading for that matter. So for the last 3 days, what was the best time to enter into an intraday or a day trade on the S&P 500? Well, as it turns out, opening bell was number one, 8:30 in the morning. And the best exit was at 2:59. If you're in New York, East Coast, whatever, that's going to be 9:30 to 3:59, okay? Adjust your times accordingly. So if you had 10 shares, that would be $43 in profit. 50 shares, $214. 100 shares, you made $427. 200 shares, $854. And I tend to trade 300 shares, so $1,281 worth of profit on that day. Okay, the number two best entry exit combo for the last 3 days has been entry at 8:47 in the morning, and then the exit right at the last minute of the day. Okay, and you can see the profit there based on the size of the positions that size of the position you might take, whether that's 10 shares all the way up to 300 shares. Some people even have larger positions than that. Okay. The number three best entry exit combo in the stock market for the last 3 days has been to enter at 9:15 in the morning and again to exit at the last minute of the day just before close at 2:59. Okay, so those are your top three best entry exit combos on the stock market on the intraday chart. This is a 1 minute chart. Now, just to be clear, we're talking about long positions. That means buy low, sell high for those that don't really know what that means. Okay, the market's been really hot, been moving upward. There are going to be some days where, as I put this video out on a daily basis, that we're going to, I'll specify that's a short side trade, meaning you would actually sell high and buy back low, okay? But for this video, we're talking about long side trade, all right? Okay, let's take a look at the chart just real quick for Friday, April 9th, so we can get a feel for. And we're gonna be looking at the 1 minute chart here. Let's just get a feel for just how hot is this market, because it is smoking hot right now. Okay, so let's take a look at this chart. Let me click over there. Okay, so there you go, from left to right. That's your 1 minute chart for April 9th. Every little candlestick or tick that you see there, yeah, candlestick represents 1 minute. So you can see all the way to the left there, just on the outside of that gray, is 8:30 in the morning on the far left. Okay. And it went up pretty hot in the morning and kind of came down. It's typical, kind of comes down there, you know, after an opening bell, things tend to fade a little bit. And then the market just kept moving steadily up all day long for the most part. And then you can see near the close, the market just once again absolutely took off. Okay. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be putting out these videos every day, and I'm going to be adding new symbols as time goes on. So stick with it. Come back, watch the video. We'll talk to you all again next time.